Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung Galaxy S21 FE to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bars and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. From this screen here, you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Now select Receive on an Android and Send on Samsung. Then tap on all of those dots and just send. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them later on. It will take a lot of time though, so I will go with only one file. Just send and tap on Got it. From here we have two connection ways. We can input this key here and tap on Receive or scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on an Android, then choose while using the app or only this time and point your camera at the QR code. Now we wait, and as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!